is Mok Yee.
My name is Yong Wei.
I'm Agnes Lau. I'm basically working a lot in repetition and stillness. I think fine art, to me, is actually a lifelong self-discovery process. Repetition is something where I can really reconnect myself and discover myself better, like why am I here? Why do I do this thing and all?
My art practice explore language of materials, and I'm interested like how materials carry memories, cultures, and identities.
I will usually attend art exhibitions, events and other art initiatives to meet up with new people so I can make new connections and expand my horizons in the art industry.
When we show in an exhibition, it doesn't really just show an artwork, it's more like creating a dialogue between people.
In theatres, it's a group, it's a collective works. Sometimes it needs a lot of precisions and also creating magic on stage. As educators, it provides me more open-minded. Sometimes I really learn a lot from students. They provide me a different perspective and different thinkings on art and life. So I think this is how all these things shape who am I today.
I think Dasein actually provided a very strong foundation practice. One thing that really affected me a lot, I think, is openness in art appreciation. They really encourage questioning, like why do you do this? So it made me actually think deeply on the reasons behind or the concept behind of my
I
artwork.
think Dasein Academy of Art really trained me to be true to myself and to create something that I believe in.
Dasein give me a foundation and provide me a very different thinkings about art and culture. Be honest, stay focused and persistent.
Mostly it's being honest to what you are doing, then everything will fall into place. Things will actually opens door for us.
If you can feel something that you never felt before, something impactful, I think that's what makes the artwork strong and inspiring.